Level 2, activity 4. To start this, let's go to function load program. I want you to be on number 2. Although if your drum machine doesn't have a pattern on number 2, just find a pattern that does. You can play the pattern. There's our pattern. Today we're talking about active step. So let's see on this pattern what drums are actually being used. Let's press play. And we can see all the flashing buttons here. All of these are being used. Okay? So now the active step, we could take different drums in and out of the sequence. So let's do the bass drum. Let's see what we have there. So when we go into edit step on the bass drum, we see 1, 3, 5, 9, and 13 being used. Okay, so now we can take some of that out. Let's get out of edit step and go to active step. Now this is asking you which part of the sequence of the drum, the kick drum, do you want to be active? So we could take them all out. Oh, no, I guess you have to have one on. So if you just have one on, let's see what happens. Gives you a different vibe. If we put them all back in. So what's happening is the sequencer is just playing 1 over and over again. When you have it down to 1. Now you can add different parts of the sequence to add in. Let's take out 1 and let's just add 4. I don't think 4 is in there. So what happens when we just put 4 in for our active step? It disappears. Now if we start adding the pieces that we know are in there, we can hear a difference. So what this does is it shortens the sequence of each drum pattern. So again, you can do that. If you get out of active step, you can do that for all of the drums that are part of this program. So we can see number 2 is flashing a lot. So let's go to number 2 here, which is that cool sound right there. Okay, and let's go to active step. And let's shorten the pattern to this. Let's see how that changes. Okay, it makes it a quicker pattern, so it plays things in kind of a polyrhythmic way. So what active step allows you to do, it allows you to go into all of your different drum parts, all the patterns that you have, and to shorten the sequences or to make the sequences kind of different by choosing which ones are on and off. So on program number 2, please play it, and then for each drum, so this drum's playing, this drum's playing, this drum's playing, go into active step and turn some off and see how it changes your pattern. I think you'll notice that things can get pretty cool pretty quick.